tingnan natin. Gawa natin to, tubig. May nabasa to, nahulog to. Tapos, so many likes and subscribe. Dilya na? Hey, yo! Lagyan muna natin yan.
First, lagyan muna natin dyan. Hacks. We're just gonna wait. Oh my god! It exploded, guys!
Look, explode. Look, tingnan mo guys. Press. Ayun na.
Nakakatuwa.
Oh, snap.
It's so blurry.
Natanggal. Uy, hindi kita.
Nagkikita nga.
Bakit gaganto? O ano? Wow.
Stop joking around. Let's do this.
Wait lang, let's go. So, stop joking.
Puto! Nabasa yung iPad mo!
Let's go. It's more time. So,
It's not ASMR, man.
SMR time. Nasi iyon nickname natin. SMR time. Nickname natin. Saan yun? Saan yun? Nasi. No, cut.
Okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3. It's not going out. Nasi, the power is absorbing the tubig pataas. Nasi, kaya na ganito kasi yung tubig na pataas. Nasi, that is absorbing papunta sa taas. Look! So, meron na si tingnan natin yung power this the full mode.
I'm just gonna put it here.
Look, guys. Look. Look. Oh. Wait lang. Mag-lock it pressure tayo. Oh, snap.
My finger.
This is my favorite on all of the sites. Oh. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, no. What?
What? So close! It's so close! Oh! Yung iPad mo.
Wait lang, shoot natin yung dito. Oh, shoot. So, dami lang natin yan.
It's so close!
Dito natin. That's close, guys. It's broken.
It's broken? Oh, I thought it was broken.
Ayun na. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Kaya nasi absorbing nasi so many water papunta dito is kasi explode.
Hello, I can see your face. Okay, it's time for you to bow dun.
Kaya ito, na-push kasi it is absorbing the water is flowed is to 100 degrees and is flowed like a rocket ship. Yeah, that's science. Diba, Kuya Kurt?
What?
Okay. So yeah, look, as absorbing is fire. Like a big corridor. Sino mo? Kaya absorbing that air, yes, Kuya Kurt? Diba? Absorbing and flowed and kaya yung absorbing kaya sa taas.
How?
Kasi dahil so may water papunta dito kasi this metal is activating the gantonin cause
We already know that.
those phase.
We already know that.
Mga ganito is not explode. Kasi kaya na ganyan siya, ganyan kasi yung the power pressure are the
Bro, that's dumb science. That doesn't even. This is not even real. This is fake science.
use this with science, mga ganito mo, is cause explode. It's not explode this time. Kasi is sobrang pressure natin, not look. Look guys, kita mo yan kita mo sa baba, it's not absorbing. May ganito ko, it's not absorbing. Kasi this is the science. Look, ay ito, ganyan natin.
Ay.
Kasi siya, bitlit pa. Okay. Bye-bye. See you on the earth. Okay. Stay cool, stay awesome. And mamaya muna, ay may ganito. Stay awesome, stay live. Tapos na?
No. Di ba tapos?
Absorbing gas station lang. May gas